From skyscrapers to heavy machines, from railways to automobiles, every strong structure depends on one thing: reliable fastening. And that's where high tensile bolts come in. Today let's explore what makes them so important. High tensile bolts are specially engineered fasteners made to withstand high levels of stress and load. Unlike ordinary bolts, these are manufactured from alloy steel and hardened for maximum strength. The most commonly used grades are 8.8, 10.9, and 12.9, with higher numbers meaning higher strength. These bolts are favored in heavy-duty applications because they offer high load-bearing capacity, excellent durability, resistance to shear and tension, longer life in tough environments. That's why industries like construction, automotive, railways, and heavy engineering rely on them every day. You'll find high tensile bolts in steel structures and bridges, heavy machinery, automobiles and trucks, transmission towers, wind turbines, oil and gas installations, industrial machines. Anywhere strength is non-negotiable, these bolts play the key role. At Vernal Industries Pvt, we deliver high-grade, high-tensile bolts manufactured with precision and strict quality control. With years of industry experience, we offer consistent quality, accurate dimensions, timely delivery, custom sizes and bulk supply. For premium quality high-tensile bolts you can trust, choose Vernal Industries Pvt.